Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingSystem.com, making this video about gold. Today is Thursday morning, 8 a.m. and tomorrow we have NFP, 8:30 today. Also big news, I think USD news, and also then tomorrow definitely NFP. Let's see what happens. So I decided to make this video. This is the chart that I made. First, I'm going to take you back a year ago, 15th October 2022. This is Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, wave 4. I said maybe this is going to be finishing here, and then we will go to the upside. So we started go to the upside, and the idea is that to go above wave 3. Wave 5 should be above wave 3. So what happened to this as of today after a whole year? This chart is in December 2022. Let's see the chart in December 2023 is this. See, December 2023. So we started to go up and then came down. It's like could be wave 1 and 2 and then followed by wave 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So the idea and the trend is still to the upside, right? Into wave 5. We are going up into wave 5. So what happened to this chart? I'm going to skip the December and then January. In January, it started to dip here a little bit and then make this harmonic pattern kind of thing. I was watching it. So this is a chart I made on 11th January 2024. And this is, see this 61%, then back to 23% line, the fib drawn from here to here. So this is exactly what 61%. Let me show you the bigger picture. This is what the girdle is all about. XA, you draw the fib from here to here, and then you see the first pullback at point B is at 61%, and then usually the price goes back to 23% line of the same fib, and then bounce and go to 78% to make the girdle pattern. And if the girdle pattern failed to execute, then it will continue to go to the upside as wave 3, followed by wave 4, and then 5, right? So the idea is to go to the upside. So let's go back and see what the heck is happening here. We are at 23% line, right? From 61% back to 23, now supposed to go to 78. It could be here. And if we fail to execute the girdle pattern, it will continue to go to the upside, right? So what happened to this chart is this. So it started to wobble a little bit here. One more time, came down here, this high, this 2009. So I said, okay, somewhere there, it will go to the upside. And it will start to go to the upside. And I had my couple of entries here, right? You can see that January 29, this week, the first day of the week, I had this entry here and then this one. Two entries the same day. And from 2022 to 2028, two entries all the way to 2036. This line is a very strong SNL level, 2032. So now this one is into play. I'll show you. So this is the one, these two trades I had on 29, going to the upside using my system. Then this is on the 31st January, beautiful entry here. This is taken by my EA, automatic robot. It opened the trade here, right? And then all the way here from 2037 to 2054. And then I had this one here on the same day, 31st, which is, yesterday. And this one again, it dipped and then start to go up again. And this is, sorry, by the way, this is 2032. This is 2049. So from 2032, it did start to bounce again. And I made the entry here and took it all the way to 2049 one more time. But it dropped again to this area. And now what's happening, let me show it to you. And this is the chart I just made, 1st February 2024, that it is, it's rising from there, where I said that it's going to be going to the upside for above 2009, but slowly but surely it's going to the upside. So this is the, the harmonic pattern. Then it's going to go up a little bit and then fail the girdle pattern. Obviously, the trend is up, so it's going to go to the upside, hopefully. If you look at this picture now, the 23% line we're bouncing, and we're supposed to go back to girdle pattern. We will be finishing at almost 2100. So right now we are just bouncing from 2032. So we are sitting at 2030. So we have a long way to go. Hopefully today after the news or tomorrow after NFP, we should be able to, if we go to the upside, this is what is happening. And I will take my trades again, and then I'll show you what kind of trades I had. But like I said, that this is the system given this entry here, this one, and these two entries. Beautiful, beautiful. 4 trades this week alone in gold using my system. and my analysis. So if you like what you saw, you want to get the system, you want to be a part of it, go to my website and subscribe there. You have different options there, and you get all the years, the template, the indicators required to open these candles, everything, and instruction videos. And obviously, if you don't know how to do it or if you need help, my son will get on the Zoom and then help you out personally, set up the charts on your computer and all of that. All right. So you can, this system, you can trade anything. I trade Forex and indices, gold, oil, everything. Right. Different brick sizes, but, yeah, you can trade everything. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And hope that you have a very, very good NFP day. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.